Hello, this is a little tutorial about how to keep working on your site. When you come to the home page now, it'll say portfolio, and it's displaying two items. So it's as if you had two cards for sale here. Portfolio item 3 and 2, I just gave them default names. And now this one doesn't have a picture. I'll walk you through adding a picture to it, but first I'll show you kind of what it looks like. So if you click on portfolio item 1, or 2 rather, it'll take you to the page, and then there are pictures that you can click on and see bigger versions. And description area, this is just a text area where you can write in whatever you want. So basically your home page is going to give people a little glimpse of what the cards are going to look like. Then if they click on them, you can fill out more information about what it says inside, colors, different pictures, things like that. So the first thing you'll want to do is log into your dashboard. So if you go to vintageneeded.com, there's a log out button because I'm already logged in, but for you it'll say log in. Put in your username and password, and then it will take you to the dashboard here. From the dashboard, if you want to add in a new card, like a brand new card, you'll scroll down and find portfolio. Here we are. And you will, all portfolio items is for things that have already been created. So we're going to edit number 3 so that it does have a picture. You can see here there's featured image. So on the home page, there's no featured image for this particular item. That's why it doesn't have a picture showing. So up here you got the title. Here's a description area. You can just write in whatever you want, just like it was a Word document. You can use these to format what you're writing. And if you scroll down over to the bottom right, there's featured image. Click set featured image. Then it will ask you to either upload a file from your computer, or if you've already uploaded it before, you can just select it here. So you'll pick any one particular image that you want to show as the kind of preview, the thumbnail for this. Click set featured image, and that's all you have to do. Now this product or this portfolio item, this card, will show this on the home page after we update. So I'll click update, wait for it to finish, and now that it's finished it says view post. I'm going to go to visit site so I can see the home page. And now here it pulls up the pictures, and now this one has a featured image. And you can see here description, so when I changed this area, that's what shows up right here. And then if we click on details, it'll take us to the bigger page. Now this one just has the description area, doesn't have any pictures on it. So if we go back to editing the portfolio item, here we have our description. I'm going to write that out. Text description and picture area. So if you can just write in text whatever you like. If you want to add some pictures, click add media, and then you can either insert media, this will give you a single image, or if you hold down control you can select multiple images. You'll notice I get little check marks up here. Over on the right there's a size, so if you want the pictures to be all the same size you can choose thumbnail or medium. If you choose full size, then these are going to be whatever size the actual picture is, but since they're not all the same size they may not look the same. So if you do switch these to medium, and then click insert into post. Now this one particular one didn't get medium, so if I click on it I'll get this pencil icon for edit, and then here says full size, switch that to medium. Now this medium is different because this picture is shorter than it is longer, whereas this one is a perfect square. So if you choose medium, it's going to try to make it fit in a small area, but it still is going to be the size of the picture. So if you use thumbnail, though, then they will all be the exact same, 150 by 150. So it depends on how you want to show it. You can also click and drag these to rearrange them. Or if you want to move them in front of text, you can do that too. Or if you don't like one, you can remove it by clicking this X here. You can also click on Create Gallery to create a gallery, a collection of pictures. I'll just put in a couple here. And size, thumbnail's good. Insert gallery. Now they'll just all be in a row. Now you won't be able to reorder these from here. You have to click on the pencil. And once you're on Edit Gallery, then you can reorder them by clicking and dragging. If we hit Update, alright, now let's go view the site again. So visit site. And here we have our portfolio item 3. And here is the gallery. I personally think the gallery doesn't look as well as the individual images do, but it's up to you. When you do the individual images, they look like this. And then you click on it, it brings you up to the bigger version. Besides adding items to the portfolio, which then get automatically added to the home page. So every time you create a new portfolio item, it'll automatically go on the home page. You don't have to fix that. If you want to make pages besides this portfolio page, so you want a Contact Us or an About Us page, you'll go to Pages, Add New, and then very similar to the portfolio page, it will have a title at the top. Well, it will. There we go. So what would the title of this be? I'll call it About Us. And then same as before, in this area you can write whatever you like. Content area, pictures, descriptions, etc. And same, if you highlight it, you can use these to change it. You can also add media if you want on this page. When you're done, hit Publish, and we'll wait for that to finish. Now that that page is saved, I'm going to refresh the home page so it will update. Alright, so now we're on the home page, and you can see we've got your portfolio items, but also a new About Us page. If you click on that, just let you go right to it. Now if you're on a page and you want to edit it, there's this black bar up the top, and there's Edit Page. If you click on that, it'll take you directly to where you can make changes to the page. The other way is to go to Pages, All Pages, and then click on the name of the page that you want to edit.